Greetings, fellow Toastmasters. My name is Lexi Milano, and I'm here with District 46 as a member and Vice President of Education for Gastronomy Toastmasters. Pathways is a wonderful resource on Toastmasters where members can select a path based on their goals and complete projects that align with those goals. If you're interested in learning how you can select a pathway that best aligns with your leadership and communication goals, feel free to check out our District 46 official YouTube channel for resources on how you can do so. Today, I'll be showing you how you can submit a level for completion to your VPE. As you go through your Toastmasters journey, you'll continue your projects and slowly check them off as you go. And once you complete all the projects in one level, you can submit that to one of your clubs for completion. So to start, I would go to the Toastmasters International website, and from here, I'll start by clicking Go to Basecamp. From here, under the Welcome to Basecamp, there is a tab on Paths and Learning. It will automatically bring you there, but if you're exploring through the pathways, you can always go back to your paths by checking Paths and Learning. Today, I'll show you how you can submit a path by clicking on one of my pathways. I'm currently doing 2 pathways, so they both show up there. And if you were doing multiple, they would all show up. It will bring you to where you last left off. And if I want to look at a level to complete, first I'll hit Overview. And at times, sometimes, the website does take a little bit to load, so always have your patience at. From here, you can see there are 2 green check marks next to level 1 and level 2. That is because I've already completed these levels. If I scroll down, there's level 3, which includes many that are unchecked and one that is checked. If I were to have the entire part of level 3 with green check marks, except for this one on the bottom, I could hit level 3 completion. It is your responsibility as a member of Toastmasters to ensure that you have all of your projects completed before you go to complete a level. Once you've clicked on level 3 completion, it will show you the requirements that you had to do required electives to be able to submit this level to the Basecamp manager. As you scroll down, if you are in multiple clubs, you can select what club you want to give the level to for the DCP goals. Right now, I'm only part of one club, so that's the only one that shows up. If I were part of several clubs, they would all show up in this drop-down box. So from here, I'll select Gastronomy Toastmasters. And if I had completed everything in level 3, this red Submit button would light up, and I can click that to submit. From there, it will be sent to the Vice President of Education so they can ensure that the level is complete. If you are a current Vice President of Education and you want to learn how you can go to the level that a member has submitted and mark it as complete, we also have a resource on our District 46 YouTube channel that you can check out. So with that, I hope this video was helpful. And as I mentioned, our District 46 YouTube channel is a very great place, so please subscribe. Thank you.